time it is. We have part one of our massive haul. All of these goodies, guys, are so freaking good. Everything is going to be linked in my bio. It's going to take you straight to my beacons, and on my beacons it will have each photo itemized with each picture, each option to choose. So all you have to do is click it and it'll take you straight to the website so you can order. If you need help, you can always message me and I will try the best I can. So let's get started with part one. Starting off with our favorite. We love a little Gucci. We love a yellow app haul, so buckle up. Best thing ever. So starting with the Gucci, the box came really good, packaging was good. This seller that I've been with for a while always sends, the packaging, the presentation is good, but are these not perfect for summer? Like, obsessed. The quality of these are 10 out of 10. Like, they are so cute. These are a size 40. I bought these for my sister. So she is a size 9. So a size 9 for 40. They do fit true to size. She tried them on. I told her I needed to keep them until I made a video for y'all so y'all could see. But size 40 is a size 9. They fit true to size. The quality on these are amazing. They're so cute. And like the platform is like the perfect type. So grab those at the link in my bio. And then next, I am obsessed with these. Like, I'm literally going to be wearing these tomorrow. The box, not great, but that's okay. We still love her, but y'all. Are you kidding me? These are so freaking cute. Obsessed. Like, with a little workout outfit. Really, really cute. These are a size, let's see, what size are these? I believe they're 39s. They're size 6.5, so I want to say, oh no, sorry, dumb. They're size 39, and I am a size 8, so they do fit true to size. So the previous pair of flip-flops, those were for my sis. Those were a size 40. Those were for a size 9. These, size 8, 39 online, so freaking cute. Like, literally, quality of these is unreal. These are like, I want to say they were like the Anthropology ones or whatever. They came out with like their own separate one, so they have like the faded little pink on them. Obsessed. 10 out of 10. I cannot wait to wear these, and they're so comfortable because hello, they're New Balance. Next, we have a little Chanel moment. After in my previous haul, I did a little Chanel sneaker, and I'm literally obsessed. Like, they are so freaking cute. 10 out of 10. But box, everything presentation on these, so good. Comes with a little extra pair of shoestrings, all the little paperwork. Packaging is really good. Who is she? She is going to be so freaking cute. Obsessed with these. These are adorable. These also I got in a size 39. Yes, a size 39 as well. And they do fit true to size. I tried them on and I love these with like a little black outfit. So freaking cute. Everything, when you order from the Little Yellow app, it takes about a month, so be patient, but it will come in most of the time. Sometimes there's little mishaps, but you just message the seller and 9.5 times out of 10, they will either ship you a new one, refund you, whatever. But I can't say all the time because you never know. I don't want to be that person. But love these. Come back for part 2, part 3, and maybe even part 4 because we've got a lot of stuff. Love y'all.